Okay. Nina has a question. What is a good spell using a honey jar relating to getting over a breakup or life transformation, sweeten a situation for yourself? So you're trying to do a honey jar on yourself, it sounds like. Well, here's what I'm going to say. When you're doing spell work on yourself, you can do a candle, but a candle lends itself better to sympathetic magic work. It's not saying that you can't do a candle for yourself, but you actually have a better source of doing that magic, which is your own body, because you have access to your body and you can do things to your own body. Meaning you can put oil on yourself. You can take a bath on yourself. You're willing and able to do that work directly on your body. You can drink a tea that you've charged with something. You can eat a food that you've charged with something. So those things that are actually tangibly, physically on you, I kind of lean toward doing those when I'm talking about doing work for myself rather than burning a candle for myself. You can burn a candle for yourself, but it's almost like a little distant. If you feel inspired, if you love candle work, if it's like where your creative juices flow and you love doing it, I'm not going to say don't do it for yourself. But if what you're working on is your own internal stuff, you could do a candle, I guess, but it wouldn't be my first choice. Let's just say that. Honey jar. So a honey jar is for sweetening someone towards you. So using a honey jar on yourself would be the essence of like, I want to be sweeter to myself, more self-care. But then where my brain goes is like, well, then do the self-care. But you may love to play with fire and you may love a candle, so I'm not going to say no. If you want to heal your heart, with it, if you're trying to heal something, then lavender or blue candles, light blue candles, are really, really good for healing. Those can kind of smooth over situations that are painful situations, calm, angry energy, or hurt energy. It's very healing. So blue, lavender, or white. If you can't find blue or lavender, you can use a white candle on the honey jar. You can use all the herbs for healing, which would be cornflower is really good, lavender is really good, althea is really good. What else would I recommend off the top of my head? Not knowing what your particular situation is, I can't speak to it directly, but those are kind of general herbs that can be used for calming, soothing, healing. You can use also some herbs for elevating mood. Cacao beans are really good for that. Allspice is really good for that. Those are ones. Benzoin is really good for that. Those are all good for like mood lifting, bringing back happiness, all of those things too. Okay.